Are you wanting to try something a little different? Where better to start than this Roman-style pizza Bianca? Set up your Halo Pro spiral mixer. Dissolve your salt into water and add yeast. Add the mix to your mixer bowl, followed by the flour. Full step-by-step instructions can be found in the description below this video. Mix until fully combined, and then knead at a low speed for a further 10 minutes. Once kneaded, scrape the dough into a small bowl and cover with a damp towel. Gently pick up the dough and allow gravity to pull the dough downward so it hangs like a curtain with your fingers in the middle. Brush your sheet pan with the olive oil and lay the dough on it. At least 2 hours before you're ready to prepare your pizza, take the dough out of the fridge to allow it to return to room temperature. To stretch your dough into the sheet pan, place your fingers under the dough and pull towards the edge of the pan. Fire up your Ooni pizza oven and preheat until the stone reaches 752 degrees Fahrenheit or 400 degrees Celsius. Drizzle olive oil over the top of your dough. Then firmly press your fingers into the dough to create dimples. Salt to taste. When the oven is at heat, reduce the flame and place the pan at the front of the oven and cook for 6 minutes or until the top of the pizza is golden. Take the pizza out of the oven, slice, and season with salt before sharing this delicious Roman-style snack with friends and family.